Hey, correction to turnip seed here. So wanted to come and explain to you how you could get Craigslist ads up and going and have your business having leads coming in that you could close and get success in your business. So what you want to do is create a Craigslist account. Go to Craigslist, I believe it's .org or .com. It doesn't matter, they all lead there. But what I always do before I start is I go to my history, and what I'm gonna do is delete my cookies. I always do this before I create an ad. So hold on a second, let me go there, and I'm gonna click on clear browsing data and have it delete everything. So it's working. And you want to do this because Craigslist uses cookies, okay? So I'm going to have it delete everything. Cookies, download history, like everything from the beginning of time, okay? I'm going to hit clear browsing data. And I do this every time before I post so that Craigslist doesn't, you know, it helps you with getting flagged. It helps you with a lot of things with Craigslist. Making sure that Facebook isn't tracking you. Another thing you could do, and I'll get into this later, but you could post different ads using different resources. So you might post one ad using your tablet and another ad using your computer, another one using your phone. Because, you know, Craigslist is iffy sometimes, but it works. So let me let this finish clearing my browser data, and then I will get to posting one of my ads for the day. Oh, this is taking a lot of time. Alright, so you want to post an ad every day in a major city. I believe I posted in Portland the other day, but I'm going to log into my account and make sure my ad from the other day was sticking. So let me log in. Let's do that while that's clearing data. What the baby Jesus? Okay. So as you can see, my ad was deleted. You will get some haters that will delete your ads, and I don't really worry about it. I post, and you know, if it doesn't work, I'll change the ad a little bit, maybe change the title and repost the same ad. But that's why I also don't rely on just Craigslist. I use other traffic strategies that I show you, so that way you have all these different traffic sources getting your link in front of other people. You never rely on one source because anything could happen. So I don't take it personal. I just be like, whatever. You know, that's why I also use back pages, because Craigslist really needs to eliminate the flag feature. And I always talk about this because they're not people aren't flagging legit ads. It's typically your competition that are flagging your stuff, and Craigslist doesn't really have checks and balances in place to stop haters from really going to your stuff. So anyways, what I'm gonna do is let me move myself out of the way so I could see my stuff. I'm gonna go back to Craigslist, and I can see the last. What I'm going to do is post in my home. And I'm actually going to go to the gigs section. So down here where it says gigs, I am going to post in. Here, let me see what ad I'm posting first. So when you join our group. Oh, I logged out. Okay, hold on. Lead reps. Okay, never mind. I don't need to log in because I know where I'm posting it. The ad I'm using is about lead reps. So where would I want to post in gigs? Lead reps. I'm posting computer gigs today. in the gig section. And I do post in the biz op section too, but I find that you get less competition in the gig section than in the biz op section, where you get a lot more competition and also haters. So where it says post, I'm gonna hit post, and I have a gig that I'm offering. Okay, I want to hire someone. I'm gonna hit continue. Let's see what this would be. I would say computer gigs. Okay, I'm gonna hit continue. And I have my ad here, so I'm just gonna paste it. So I'm gonna post my ad here, my title, and I'm gonna post and I just put some asterisks there. So for postal code, you want to put a postal code. I'm gonna put 14619 because it's the closest one to me that I know. I actually live in this city, so I'm gonna post there. I'm gonna say national marketing firm seeking lead reps for seeking lead reps. We are looking for lead reps. Yeah, I'm gonna take this sentence out. So we have templates in the group. Go ahead and take some of those templates and make them your own. Don't like copy and paste exactly, like edit it a little bit. So what I want to do is just make this easy in the eyes. I'm gonna say we have offices in Rochester, because it says and the city you're posting in. To New York. All applicants must have basic computer skills requirements. Okay. Communicates well, high energy, reliable, basic computer knowledge. 4 position. I'm gonna say 4 positions available. I'm gonna say, oh, hold on a second. We have 4 openings. Let me change this a little bit. For hardworking and motivated to join our team. To get information, and this is where you're going to put in either your lead capture page. You can ask them to text you, to call you. I'm going to use a text message number that I just created. I use this app. It's called Text Free, and you can basically rig it to be an autoresponder. So what you do is you check the box that says auto reply on the app, and you set up a text message. So I set up a text message. Once they text this number, they're going to get an instant message back. I don't have to talk to them until after they've logged in my system. So they get a message back that says, hey, this is 𝐸𝐸𝐾. Thanks for logging into my system. To get information, visit blah capture page. And it's going to lead them to my capture page where they can get more information about my opportunity. That's it. You know, so when I'm at work, this is working for me. And that's what you want, is systems working for you when you can't. When I'm asleep, they texting this number is giving them information. Okay, you could even do that in Facebook groups and stuff like that. So this number is wonderful. So if you don't have the text free app, it used to be called Pinger, I believe. All right, so to get information, text our regional recruiter at 585. And then I'm going to say something like do not reply via email to this to this position posting. That's what I'm gonna say. Make it sound more legit. And then I'm gonna do something like another. Hold on a second. Bold. Oh, I'm not logged in. Okay, I'm not gonna worry about it. There's a way to make this bold. I believe it's BR, and then you put bold, or I'm gonna say big. Then for pay, I'm gonna say let me say a reasonable number. Okay. And then this part I'm going to leave the same, and I'm going to say they can contact me via text, and I'm going to put that same number back in here. So alright, so there we have it. That's it, and I'm going to hit continue and see what it looks like. Okay, I don't need any of that, so hit continue again. I'm not going to add an image. I can add an image, but for today I'm not. Okay, I got to go back in and do a little bit of editing, so I'm going to click on edit post because it just looks like one big so I'm going to put in some tags here. I'm going to put BR for break, BR for break, like that way it's not all together. And you don't need to know these things, like you could just, but these are just little things that make your, can make your ad pop out. Little coding things. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Okay, I'm going to take the breaks out because it's not. And what I'm going to do instead, oops. Come on, computer. I'm having so much technical difficulty with my computer today. So what I'm going to do instead is I am going to say, I'm going to do this. I'm just going to do 2 asterisks, then 3, then 4, and so on and so forth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oops, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and it just puts a little bit of a space in between. And then I'm going to do the same here, but I'm going to do reverse. I'm going to do 6, then 5, then 1, 2, 3, 4, oops, 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. That's it. Like, I'm not going to overthink it, just to put some gaps in between it so that it just makes sense. Alright. I'm going to hit continue. Alright, I'm not worrying about it. I'm going to hit publish. This is me being a perfectionist. Alright, now you have to go to email and they're going to send you a link and you have to click on that link and